The best way to remove spray paint depends on the surface you're working on. To remove spray paint from your skin, first check the can to see if the paint is water or oil-based. For water-based paint, wash your hands with soapy water and scrub the paint off with an old toothbrush. For oil-based paint, rub another oil like olive oil, coconut oil, or baby oil into the paint until it comes off. To remove spray paint from metal, first try rubbing the area with a microfiber cloth soaked in soapy water. If that doesn't work, rub the paint stain with a clay cleaning bar, applying soapy water to the bar as you go. For spray paint on concrete, use a pressure washer to blast the paint off, or apply diluted trisodium phosphate and scrub the area with a stiff bristled brush. Make sure you wear gloves, goggles, and a respiratory mask. To remove spray paint from walls, wipe down the area with a rag and a small amount of acetone. Then wipe off the excess paint with a damp sponge.